So I've noticed in the past few months, I have not made any beats, and I don't like that. So I want to start making more beats on a regular basis, but I'm also very lonely, and I need to feed the content machine. And I think I've come up with a solution. I'm starting a new series called DYD, Develop Your Demo. Zimri Mayfield, don't come for me. So DYD is going to be a YouTube series, not a series, I'm not committing to anything. But yeah, in my last video, I talked about how I don't want to overcommit to anything. So I'm not saying for sure that this is going to be a forever ongoing series, but if I like it, it might be. So in these videos, I am going to basically produce demos that people send me. So one of you could send me a voice notes memo that you have of whatever, and you give me a prompt like, I want this to sound like The Weeknd meets Bon Jovi, and I'll produce a little section of it just for fun. I'm not gonna do the whole thing. It will sort of be like my way of saying, okay, if you're going with this song idea and you're gonna go in this direction, here's what I would do. And I'm gonna call this series Develop Your Demo, because that's what I'll be doing. And you who are watching this right now can actually send me something to work on. I'll be screen capping everything so you can actually see like what the session looks like. If you want to see how to send your demo to me, there's a page on my website for it right now. So you can just go to Velvet Year, it'll be at the top right, or just go to velvetyear.com/developyourdemo. Hello, this is Seth from the future. This was the part of the video where I was going to show you exactly how to send me your demos, but my mic decided to just stop working. So I'm recording this after the fact. And it's really sad because there was a lot of funny jokes that I made, and you would have laughed at them. There was a tap tempo joke, a quarter tone joke, a domain joke, but unfortunately it's all lost. Or at the very least, I don't want to do it again. So here I am on my computer, and I'm just going to show you what I was talking about there. So in order to send me your demo, you need to send it through SoundCloud, because I don't want to teach any of you how to use Google Drive. Make sure when you send your song or your idea to me, it has a title, the key that it's in, and the BPM. So we're just going to upload that now. If you don't want anyone to see your demo, you can just hit private. Make sure to go to permissions and hit enable direct downloads, and then hit save. Share. And then you can just copy this link and email it to me. And you can email that link to me at developyourdemo@gmail.com. Also, when you send me an email, make sure to write a short sentence about the song. Tell me what inspired it, if you have any creative prompts. Also, don't forget to include your name and your IG handle so that you can get that shout out. Back to past me. And yeah, there's not really a whole lot to say other than that. I can't really make the first video until a few of these roll in. So if you want to, you can go do that right now, and I will hopefully be starting this soon.